What are you doing? Me? What are you doing? Hello? Hello? Oh, yoink. What's up, you? What are you doing? You want my phone? Here, grab it. Was that tasty? Was that good? Oh, like that. Oh, get that phone. Dude, get off my hand. Eat your crickets. Nope. Come on, get off. You get you must get off my finger. Yes. There we go. There you go. Get your little crickets. There you go. Get them. Oh, that's good. You're a cute little froggy. Look at you. Look at that big fat belly, eh? Oh. No, I prefer the light. Hey, little froggy. There we go. There we go. Get him, little froggy. Oh, that's there you go. Now they're both really green. And that other one's way fatter. No? No crickets? There you go. Yeah, they pieced you off. You ate them. Nice job, buddy. Oh, here's my Brazilian black and white. Oh, there you go. Whoa, there's nothing else. Let go. Oh, let go. No, let go. You stay in there. Don't you even think about running out. No. Don't you do it. You stay in there. Get off. There we go. Thank you. There we go. Look at me even spit a little bit of venom right there. Hot. Here's the Brazilian white knee. Getting fair size. Let's see if we can't grab a big one. These are nothing for you. Oh, whoa, 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 simmer down, simmer down. Okay, down, yeah. Just leave tongs alone, let go. There you go. Little monster. There you go. It's getting pretty. It's my Goliath bird eater shed. It's looking pretty nice. Show me a face. There you are. Yummy, eh? Yeah, you're a good looking little tarantula. There he is. So as you can see, my green bottle blue has now made himself a little fortress of solitude. And I got no idea where he's at, because I can't see a thing. So I think I'm just going to toss in a cricket, maybe two. I'd like to know if he's flipped upside down or whatever, but... Oh, Bill. Okay, the Venezuelan sun tiger. Come on. Let's wait to strike. Alright, so we got a little scorpion update. So this guy's coming along. Let's see. One here. Oh, there you. And you shed or molted. Yeah, it's so tiny. Let's see. Well, leave that. These crickets today are driving me crazy for annoying me so much, please. Little pole. Do it. Get him. Little baby Brazilian biting me. Gonna get him? No? This got molted as well. I'm starting to get some blue on them already. That's awesome. A little cricket.